Okay, the purpose of this video is to help you in making a collage for your ICP class. As you saw in the PowerPoint, you're going to be making a collage in which you're going to pick out 5 topics from chemistry and 5 topics from physics, find pictures, and label each of those. So the first thing I suggest doing is opening up a search engine. I'm going to go with Google here, and I would simply type in, depending on if you're doing chemistry or physics, go chemistry topics, and you'll see here there are all kinds of things within chemistry that you can do. Now what I would do is just go through here and probably make a list of 5 different things. And you can pick somewhere else to go to. Any of these things, write down 5 different topics. Remember, you cannot use anything that I had in the PowerPoint. You must come up with something new. Okay. You will also be doing the same thing when you do the physics. Now, once you have a list of the 5 physics and 5 chemistry topics that you want to put into your collage, you will simply need to open up your PowerPoint. You can do that by going into Launchpad. You should be able to find it. Once you have that open, this is what you should be seeing. Now, what we're going to want is what we call a blank presentation. Okay, a blank presentation. So, simply go over here to where it says create. You'll click on create. Type in or do your title page. This is chemistry / physics. And that will be your title. Down here, put your name. Again, move that to the bottom. Now you can change the background to whatever you want if you know how to do with all that stuff. If you want, you can change the font to whatever you like. As you can see here, you can change sizes, all that different stuff. Now, how do I get pictures for this? For example, you need a picture on this. The easiest thing is, again, go back to your Google Chrome. I would just say topic, hit chemistry, for example, go to images, and there's you a picture of chemistry, or you can have one that has the word chemistry. Okay, I'm going to choose one that says chemistry, similar to what I want. All you have to do is a copy image. Okay, you can simply hold the control key and press the center button, and this will pop up. You hit copy image, go back to your PowerPoint, go up here to the left where it says paste. I'll move my chemistry one right there. I hop back to Google Chrome. Now I'm going to do physics. I'm going to grab a picture right there. Go to my PowerPoint. Again, I just simply do a paste. And I have my physics. Okay, there is my title page. From that point on, I would go up here to the top. It'll say insert at the top. You can go to insert here. Go to new slide. I suggest duplicating the slide. You'll get this. Get rid of those two pictures. You can do your chemistry first. So this is chemistry. You don't need your name any longer. You get rid of that. And now all you have to do is start putting in your 5 pictures for chemistry. So again, we hop back over here. You have your list of physics topics. So acids and bases. Okay, acids and bases. Find you a picture. Again, just do a copy image, go to your PowerPoint, go to your home, paste, a member now. Doing 3 and 2, or however you do it. You got to have 5 for chemistry, 5 for physics. So there is my picture. Now you need to label this, so you need to get you a text box. So click on text box, you'll go right here. Acids and bases. You can center that. Okay, change your font size. I'm going to go 32. Try this again, 32. Acids and bases, bold. Spread that out. Again, I can change the font to something a little better. And I move it right there. So I have acids and bases. And I just continue this to get all my pictures in that. Once I'm ready for a new slide, again, I would just say insert, go to new slide, want to duplicate slide, finish your chemistry. You keep duplicating. Then when you get to physics, don't forget, change this to physics. Just get what you already have. Now you can find your pictures for physics. Again, don't forget to put in a text box and tell me specifically what that is. So you should be ready now to create your collage. So get started. When you finished, make sure you submit that assignment in through the assignment part of the module.